Today I'll be teaching you guys how we guys can live stream on Facebook, which means how to go live. It's pretty simple. What you want to do is, after you open Facebook, you can see the plus button at the top right. Click on the plus button. Once you click on it, you will see all this option. From all this option, the last option says live. Click on live. And once you click on it, it's going to take you to the live going section. Now from over here, you can rotate your camera by rotating your camera, and you can turn on and off your mic from over here. You can even choose filters if you want to. And after everything is set, you can click on go live. Once you click on go live, it's going to show you a counter. Once the counter finishes, you will go live. And from over here, you can do different kinds of things. So right now I'm live. And if I want to end the live, what I need to do is click on finish at the bottom right. And over here, it's going to give me this timer. After it fully loads, my live will end. And just like this, you guys can go live on Facebook. And if you want to save your live, you can click on post for 30 days. If you don't want to, you can click on this little dustbin icon at the bottom right, click on delete, and a live will be deleted. So that's how you guys can live stream on Facebook. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel. Want to step for future videos like this? I'll see you guys next time.